I wanted to talk about something really simple, but really important when doing energy work, and that's grounding. Because you can do all the third eye meditations, pull cards all day, and open to spirit, but if you're not grounded, your energy gets messy fast. Grounding is basically what keeps you connected to this world while you are opening up to that one. When you're doing intuitive or psychic work, your energy naturally rises because you're tuning into different or higher frequencies. And that's amazing. But if you're not bringing your energy back down, you'll start to feel all over the place. You know that floaty, dizzy, kind of out of it feeling after meditating? Or when you can't focus and you feel like you're not really in your body? That's your energy letting you know that it's time to ground. If you don't ground yourself, your intuition gets fuzzy and you can start picking up on emotions and energies that aren't even yours. You get overwhelmed, drained, anxious, or just foggy. But when you are grounded, your energy is clear and you can actually trust what you're picking up. Your messages feel stronger, cleaner, and you feel more like yourself. It's literally the foundation for all psychic and spiritual work. Without it, everything else kind of wobbles. So, that said, here are the signs that it's time to ground. Feeling spacey or lightheaded, forgetting things or losing focus, feeling everyone's emotions and not knowing which is yours, feeling drained after readings or meditations, or just feeling like your body is here but you're not. Those are signs it's time to ground. And to do it, it's super easy. You don't need anything fancy. You could just go outside for grounding. Seriously. Just step onto the grass, touch a tree, breathe. Nature instantly pulls your energy back into balance. Or visualize roots growing from your feet deep into the earth, like your energy's anchoring down. Feel that connection. Imagine the earth sending calm, steady energy back into you. Or move your body, dance, stretch, shake off that excess energy. Breathing helps too. Deep, slow breaths all the way into your belly. Here's the thing, it's not about doing it once and being done. It's something you build into your routine. Kind of like brushing your teeth, but for your energy. Before and after meditation, after being around a lot of people, ground.